tracks leading to the ITF-West, the Intermodal Transportation Facility West. And doing a bit of grading here on the ground below the guideways. And a little bit of housekeeping as well. And you can see some of these areas that are covered up, they are finished. Looks like they're just have a layer of protection here. You can see leading up here some of the finished concrete here. Looks like they put some brushes to it just to give it a little bit more traction. And some of these rails, fences, some finishing touches going on here. Some grading here. One of the couple of pedestrian walkways, we've got one over here, we've got a second one over there. And we got somebody looking into the ceiling. It looks like the surface here, they've been wetting it down, maybe tamping it down, so could be some more asphalt that could be getting prepared along this little roadway. There's another roadway next to it. This ITF-West station's looking pretty good. It's right next to the economy parking lot, and if you were to park here at this parking lot, you could just take this train and get to LAX, get to Tom Bradley in about less than 10 minutes. Much better option than trying to get into the horseshoe and deal with all that crazy traffic. Working our way up further, we have more groundwork and housekeeping going on. And then if you just keep taking this rail a little bit further, you'll get to the ITF East and also the LAX Metro Transit area. We got some people mover cars, and then beyond that, the LAX Metro area over by the K line and people mover intersection. There's ITF East Station, and then for a little bit further to the right, the Conrack Station for rental cars. Things have always been covered up in the shade. I'd love to see them in the sun, glistening with that white exterior with the dark tinted windows. Probably should be some really nice AC in there on some of these hot days.